Hi, I'm Colleen.
And I'm Natik. And we built a proximity sensor to the back of the car so it can sense when there's an obstacle behind you, and when you're too close, it lets you know based on the sound that it emits.
So we're interfacing with the LED, a speaker, and the LCD, and basically the speaker will notify you as the increased frequency as
You get closer.
yeah, and then the LED will light up as you come within 20 centimeters of the vehicle behind you. And the LCD basically tells you in centimeters, it displays the distance of how far or close you are from the whatever's behind you. And if it's above 50 centimeters, it will just tell you about 50 centimeter. If it's below 50 centimeter, it will increment in 5 down. So right now, it's beyond 50 centimeters from the box.
Thank you very much.